Ready to embark on a journey to a healthier you? Welcome back to Song Ami. I'm Surojit, your guide on this exciting adventure. Today, we're diving into the world of balanced diets and healthy lifestyle changes. Buckle up, hit that like button, subscribe, and we're off. First up, we're defining what a balanced diet is. Picture a scale, perfectly poised, with all the right nutrients your body needs. On one side, we have macronutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. On the other, micronutrients, vitamins and minerals. Moving on, let's discuss why a balanced diet is so crucial. It's not just about maintaining a healthy weight. It boosts your energy, strengthens your immune system, clears your mind, and even reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Now, you might be wondering, what does a balanced plate look like? Well, it's a colorful mix of lean proteins, whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. But a balanced diet alone isn't enough. It's time to talk about the lifestyle modifications that complement it. Regular exercise, quality sleep, stress management, and hydration are all key players in this game. Aim for 150 minutes of moderate exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous exercise each week. Get 7-9 hours of sleep each night. Find healthy ways to manage stress and aim for 8 glasses of water a day. To make these changes easier, here are some meal planning tips. Prepare meals at home, plan your meals and snacks in advance, choose whole, unprocessed foods, and practice portion control. To inspire you, we're sharing real-life success stories of people who have transformed their lives through balanced diets and lifestyle modifications. Now, it's your turn to ask questions. Drop them in the comments section below, and we'll address them in our next Q&A session. That's a wrap for today's video on achieving a balanced diet and lifestyle for a healthier you. Remember, it's not about perfection, but progress. Small changes can lead to significant improvements in your health and well-being. So take those first steps towards a better you, and you won't regret it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more health and wellness content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for joining us today, and see you in the next video.